Dissent, Violence in the Civil War Era on the Southern Frontier, paid a visit to Troy Campus Library's media area to share about his findings in his recent dissertation. Neela Cole reports.
Albany State University history professor Dr. Joshua Butler discussed his research and content of his newest book. The book focuses on Southwest Georgia during the final years of enslavement, the Civil War, and Reconstruction.
What I wanted to do was really show that what happens before this defines what happens, but it's always a continuation. When you are competing against these things, and both sides are going to think that they're right. So it's really hard to say that there's a right versus a wrong. But if we look at the implications and the people involved and what they do, we can understand their motives and try to put our definitions on society.
Throughout his lecture, Butler examined the changing power dynamic during these three pivotal times in Southern history. Students were then given the chance to ask questions and share pivotal perspectives on the topics.
I was not expecting the answers that I got to some of my questions that I had asked during the interview, but I mostly was just interested in to see the author's perspectives on a lot of things and what he was really aiming to do with this book that he's writing.
Butler ended the lecture by expressing the importance of sharing the truth about history, regardless of when there is someone that is going to disagree.
What we need to move beyond is, again, where people learn and how they learn and how they harness their belief system. And the hope is, again, that we do that in a classroom setting with guidance from people who have more knowledge than us, but we have to take part of the responsibility that lifelong learning means learning outside the classroom.
Butler also used pictures to demonstrate his references throughout his lecture, giving students a visual aid when putting history together. Neela Cole, Troy, TrojanVision News.
Now, by the end of March, if not sooner, Butler intends to move into the second part of his dissertation, focusing mostly on the Albany movement as well as the civil rights movement. This will get into the specifics on the true definitions and labels of those two topics.